Good morning students, how are you? I am Francis sir and today I am back with standard 7 physics, and as you know that we did study in yesterday's lecture current, electricity and introduction for it. So today we will be studying symbols of electric components. Symbols of electric components. There are so many electrical appliances, there are so many electrical components that are present, but when we are to put them in a piece of paper, it is not easy for us to draw each and every component. So what do? We use certain symbols. In order to express that particular electric appliance or device. Okay, so here are some of the symbols. So you can see this electric cell, that small battery, pencil battery or the big battery, that the electric cell can be shown by this symbol. This is the symbol, or line having both sides, and a big line and a small line. The bigger line is symbolized as positive terminal and the smaller line is called as the negative terminal. As I told you, there are two terminals. Yes, one is of the higher potential and one is the lower potential. So this bigger line shows the higher potential and this lower line shows the lower potential. Okay, and this is battery. Then battery can be considered to be as the combination of two or more cells. Okay, so here there are 1, 2, 3 cells only, but you can have more also, no problem with that. So how many cells are combined, that many cells you can, that many symbols of cell you can put. Okay, and then we have electric bulb. This is the symbol for electric bulb, a curve diagram, and one side there will be positive and other side there will be negative. And then we have connecting wire. Connecting wire can be symbolized by a straight line. Okay, straight line. And then this is the symbol for key. Key means switch. Key means switch. You can also name it these two as switch. Okay, but this is also called key. This is also called key. So key, when it is in off condition, this is the key. It is open, and here we have this one is closed. Then you see that both the point ends are joined together. So in on condition the key is in this way, and in off condition the key is in this way. Then we have the symbol for fuse. Fuse has this type of symbol. Okay, so these are some of the symbols that are used in our as our electric components. We will use this electric component in something as we call as we say circuit diagram. Circuit diagram. I will come to it in the next video. Okay. So before this, let us understand some of the more things. Now, here you saw that here one or more cells were combined together. Yes, here in battery, two or more cells are combined together. But is this the only way to represent it? Okay. So here we have combination of cells. Combination of measurements. How can a cell be combined? You can see this condition. When you use a torch, you put in it the batteries. So you see that this type head is facing the same side. All the heads are facing the same side. Yes, and the head of one battery is touching that tail position of the other battery. One head position of one is touching that tail position of the next battery. So this is the condition. So we know that the head position is the positive terminal and the tail position is the negative terminal. So you can see that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other. In the same way, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the other. When the batteries or the cells are arranged in this way, this is said to be series combination. The positive terminal of one cell has to be connected to the negative terminal of the other. But what if all the positive terminals are connected to each other? You see, all the positive terminals are connected here, and here all the negative terminals are connected here. So means positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal and the negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal. These type of combinations are said to be as parallel combinations. Okay. So this is very important one, okay, because we use them as in our daily life. Okay. Now we will talk about electric circuit. Electric circuit, what is electric circuit? You know, electric circuit can be defined as a path. Electric circuit can be defined as a path in which electrical current flows. The path through which the electric current flows. You can see here, the path through which the electric current flows can be said to be as electric circuit. And this electric circuit, you know, there are so many components. There are so many components. Current flows through various electric components. Okay, so when we are talking of through various electric components, we should know what are the various components of electric circuit. So the components of electric circuit, number one is source of current. There should be a source of current, otherwise, you know, how will the current flow? The source of current is very important thing. Okay, then the second thing that we have is electric appliance. Electric appliance, you know, we require electric current for doing some work or using it for running some electric appliance. For example, if you want to run a TV, you know, for running the television, you need electricity. If you want to operate a fan, you need electricity. So these fan, these coolers, this television, this motor pump, you know, all these require electricity for working. So this electric component is electricity is required for working of these electric appliances. If electric appliance is not present, there is no need of electricity. If electric appliance is not there, there is no need of electricity. So this electric appliance is a very important component of electric circuit. Then the third one is key is a very important factor. Key is a very important factor because, you know, we don't use any electric appliance forever. You know, we require them only for some time. Only the time we use, on that time we require it. Otherwise, electric current need not approach the electric appliance. If an electric appliance is continuously supplied with electricity, what happens? There is a chance what? It is 100% guarantee that electric appliance will be spoiled. Yes, that might be, you know, because of excessive heating, you know, that electric appliance may burn or something may have a short circuit may happen. So that is why whenever you don't use, what you do? You switch off the fan, you switch off the lights, you switch off the motor, you switch off the television, you switch off means when you don't use it, what do? You switch off the current supply towards your electric appliance. So in that case, what electrical device is there that could help you in doing so, and that device is your key. Key is the one which helps you to give the supply or break the electric supply to that electric appliance. Now, the fourth and the most important thing is that your conducting wire. Connecting wire. So this connecting wire, you know, it is also a very important thing because we have the source of electric current at a different place, and that has to reach the electric appliance. So when these two are at different place, how will they be connected? You know, that connection should be there. So this connecting wire is the one which connects the source of current to the electric appliance so that the current from the source of the current reaches the electric appliance. So these are the four components of an electric circuit. Okay, so I would like you to go through these portions in your book, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. So with this I come to the end of the video. Okay, good day.